Did you know an unused Google account can get hacked and even harm your active profile? So let's fix that.
Hi guys, today we're going to see how to delete our Google Gmail accounts. First we type in our Google Gmail sign in, then we use this link to sign in to our Gmail account onto our Gmail sign in platform or Google account. As you can see here, go through the left section and click the data in privacy button. When you are arrive at data in privacy section, click on more options as you can see, then scroll down to the bottom. You can see delete your Google account button. Click the delete Google account button, then sign in with your Gmail address here. Then wait a moment, click to next button. It will pop up this platform here. We read the terms of agreements, download and backup your files. If you want to back up our files before deleting our Google account permanently, we read the terms of agreements carefully. This will alter our Google account permanently, so we will acknowledge what we are doing, and we tick in these two boxes. Then we will delete our Gmail account permanently. Then you're all done. Your Google account is deleted permanently. But if you want to recover your Google account, you need to have a recovery email first. So let's click to recovery email account. I've already signed with my recovery Gmail account. Then I click to continue. It will recover my deleted Google account. Then you're all done. Mention anything that you want to be featured in my next videos. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel and help this channel grow. It's been how to guide with AB sign off.